Hello, kids! Welcome back to the Kids Corner. Have you ever wondered why do we yawn? Let's explore it. Yawning is a way your body tells you it's time to take a deep breath. Inside your chest, there's a muscle called the diaphragm. When you're tired, it sometimes gets sleepy too. A big yawn helps bring in more oxygen and wakes you up a little. And guess what? Seeing someone else yawn can make you yawn too. Cool, right? Stay curious and keep asking why. Quick facts, big impact. 1 minute is all it takes to get smarter. Subscribe. Bye bye.